In this video, you will learn about 9 types of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are people who have a passion for creating change in the world. They need a certain set of skills to be effective leaders and innovators. Since there are so many types of businesses, there are also many kinds of entrepreneurship. In this video, I will discuss 9 most common types of entrepreneurship. Though entrepreneurship is the overall process of developing, launching and running a business, there are many different types of entrepreneurship. People have varying aspirations and visions for the kind of businesses they want to create. Everyone operates their business based on their personality, skills and characteristics. Some people think that with hard work they can find success, while others may use capital to help them get there. For some entrepreneurs, profits are less important than providing a social good. So here are 9 entrepreneurial types. Number 1, small business entrepreneurship. Number 2, large company entrepreneurship. Number 3, scalable startup. Number 4, social entrepreneurship. Number 5, innovative entrepreneurship. Number 6, hustler entrepreneurship. 7, imitator. 8, researcher. And 9, buyer entrepreneurship. We will discuss one by one all 9. Small business entrepreneurship. A majority of businesses are small businesses. People interested in small business entrepreneurship are most likely to make a profit that supports their family and a modest lifestyle. They are not seeking large-scale profits or venture capital funding. Small business entrepreneurship is often when a person owns and runs their own business. They locally hire employees, local grocery stores, hairdresser, small boutiques, consultants, plumbers are a part of this category. Large company entrepreneurship. When a company has a finite amount of life cycles, this type of entrepreneurship is for an advanced professional who knows how to sustain innovation. They are often a part of a large team of C-level executives. Large companies often create new services and products based on consumer preferences to meet market demand. Small business entrepreneurship can turn into a large company entrepreneurship when the company rapidly grows. This can also happen when a large company acquires them. Companies such as Microsoft, Google and Disney are examples of this kind of entrepreneurship. Scalable startup entrepreneurship. This kind of entrepreneurship is when entrepreneurs believe that their company can change the world. They often receive funding from venture capitalists and hire specialized employees. Scalable startups look for things that are missing in the market and create solutions for them. Many of these types of businesses start in Silicon Valley and are technology focused. They seek rapid expansion and big profit returns. Examples of scalable startups are Facebook, Instagram and Uber. Social entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur who wants to solve social problems with their products and services in this category of entrepreneurship. Their main goal is to make the world a better place. They don't work to make big profit or wealth. Instead, these kinds of entrepreneurs tend to share or start non-profits or companies that dedicate themselves to working towards social goods. Innovative entrepreneurship. Innovative entrepreneurs are people who are constantly coming up with new ideas. They take these ideas and turn them into business ventures. They often aim to change the way people live for the better. Innovators tend to be very motivated and passionate people. They look for ways to make their products and services stand out from other things on the market. People like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates are examples of innovative entrepreneurs. Hustler entrepreneurship. People who are willing to work hard and put in constant effort are considered hustler entrepreneurs. They often start small and work towards growing a bigger business with hard work rather than capital. Their aspirations are what motivates them, and they are willing to do what it takes to achieve their goals. They do not give up easily and are willing to experience challenges to get what they want. For example, someone who is a hustler is willing to cold call many people in order to make one sale. Imitator entrepreneurship. Imitators are entrepreneurs who use others' business ideas as inspiration but work to improve them. They look to make certain products and services better and more profitable. An imitator is a combination between an innovator and a hustler. They are willing to think of new ideas and work hard, yet they start by copying others. People who are imitators have a lot of self-confidence and determination. They can learn from others' mistakes when making their own business. Researcher entrepreneurship. Researchers take their time when starting their own business. They want to do as much research as possible before offering a product or service. They believe that with the right preparation and information, they have a higher chance of being successful. A researcher makes sure they understand every aspect of their business and have an in-depth understanding of what they are doing. They tend to rely on facts, data, and logic rather than their intuition. Detailed business plans are important to them and minimize their chances of failure. Buyer entrepreneurship. A buyer is a type of entrepreneur who uses their wealth to fuel their business ventures. Their specialty is to use their fortunes to buy businesses that they think will be successful. They identify promising businesses and look to acquire them. Then they make any arrangement or structural changes they feel are necessary. Their goal is to grow the business they acquire and expand their profits. This kind of entrepreneurship is less risky because they are purchasing already well-established companies. Thank you very much. I hope